My queens, if you have acne, you have dark spots, your hair is so dull, your skin is not fresh, you are looking popping skin, you are looking for glassing skin, come with me. Let's make these three ingredients. The other one I will show it to you when we start doing this thing. Tomatoes, turmeric, plus the other one ingredient. I'm going to add it when we start this. So come with me and we make it together. My face used to have a lot of dark spots, but now for consistency, everything when you are doing, you have to be doing it consistency. Consistency make my things, my dark spots get fading now. So, and I know this thing is working perfect for me, and I believe, strongly believe that if you also have acne, you have dark spots in your face, you have dark mark in your body, and you are using this thing, or you have the sun damage in your face, all this thing is going to solve your problem. So come with me, let's do it together.
Okay, my queens, the ingredients that I'm going to start is my tomatoes. What we need is tomatoes. This face mask is very powerful. Please stay tuned and pay attention and watch to the end, because the end of the video you will see the magic. And also please try it. Leave your comments if only you will try it, and also if you already tried and you know the benefit of this face mask that I'm talking about, please leave me a comment and tell me your experience and how your face is feeling now, or how you are your body feeling now. So it's very powerful that I will use tomatoes juice, because what I'm grinding now, I need only the juice that I'm going to use to make this powerful face mask. And also after that, blending it, definitely I'm going to strain it. So while I'm blending it, can we go ahead and check and see the benefit of tomatoes? Tomatoes is brightening dull skin. It's also reducing dark spots and pigmentation. Tomatoes is also controlling excess oil from your face. Tomatoes is tightening pores from your face. It's rich in vitamin C and antioxidants, which is very good, right? Because our faces or our body also need vitamin C's and antioxidants, this type of treatments or this type of vitamins that our face needs, especially we those who have dark spot too much in our face, and our face dark spots is not going. We always have excess oil to our face, because some of us, because of a lot of oil in our face, that is why it's causing us what's the name, pimples, right? It's causing pimples, and that pimples is to tend to be a dark spot in your face. And some people also using, maybe they have buy expensive creams, and those creams has give them some mark their faces, give them like a glasses, like they make a sunglass their faces like that, dark part. And some people have the damage through from the heat damage, sun damage, right? So there are so many ways, and this thing is going to brighten and make you look more good and beautiful face. Everyone will start asking you again, what cream have you used? But so my queens, the next ingredient I'm going to put inside the tomatoes juice is going to be turmeric. Turmeric is having long way to go, my queens. So please, if you are going to do your turmeric, always make sure to put less amount. It's having long way to go. So I'm putting 1 teaspoon inside, okay, or half teaspoon. I'm putting half teaspoon inside. So you can put half teaspoon, or you make 1 teaspoon, but not 1 tablespoon. So after the turmeric, our next ingredient is going to be honey. I'm going to add honey inside, because to get this benefit, it's very good when you add honey into this remedy. So let's check and see the turmeric, the benefit of turmeric. Turmeric also is fighting acne and bacteria from your face. It's also reducing inflammation, and also even skin tone, and help fair the skies, which is very good. And also glow your skin naturally. It will boost your skin naturally. Turmeric is very, very powerful. When it's come to like a powerful when it's talk about the powerful boosting skin, turmeric is one of the best ingredients that I'm going to tell you. If you want to boost your skin, if you want to get the golden skin, try to be incorporating turmeric into your routine. So now, after I add my turmeric and honey. The next thing you need to mix everything. Make sure all the ingredients mix very well. So let's go ahead and see the benefit of honey. Honey also is deep moisturizing your skin. It's healing the acne and scars. It's also having anti-aging properties. It's smoothing sensitive skin and also natural bacteria that your body have. Honey is going to help you to heal it naturally. This is not like you are going to use like chemical stain to heal your skin again. This is natural things that you are going to use to heal your body, to bright your body, to get a golden skin. Okay, so now guys, the most important here, pay attention before you apply this face mask. If you have oil, let's say you have bath, you are going to some place, you bath, you put oil, moisturizing creams to your body. When you come back, make sure you wash your face thoroughly. After washing your face, get your cotton wool or cotton pad or your towel. Clean your face from the water. Make sure you clean the water from your face then before you apply this. And if you have face mask, let's say face mask, you have makeup in your face, make sure to clean your hair, your face very well. Clean your face very well before apply this if you are looking for result. If you have face mask and you apply this, you are not going to get the benefit. If your face is dirty, you apply, you cannot get the benefit. So always make sure before you apply, your face is clean. So when you clean your face, you can see how I'm applying it to my face. This is the way, that the gentle way that you need to apply it to your face, because especially those who have sun damaging, they have cream damages, because there are so many people out there, they buy some creams and it has spoiled their skin, their skin, sorry, it has spoiled their skin and spoiled their faces, and but they have nothing, they cannot do anything apart from to working like that. So please, there's a way that you can do to fade it, to remove it, but everything is going to be consistency, because as natural things, when they say natural thing, it will heal you, but it needs consistency. Don't use it once and stop. Guys, my daughter is asking me that what about my neck. She always see me applying something, I'll apply to my neck, so she asking me what about my neck. I'm not applying to my neck in front of the camera here. So anyway guys, as I'm talking now, also even your neck also, you can just go inside when it's about like 10 minutes for you to bath. Go inside your bathroom, use it to rub your neck plus your eye, your hand, your fingers, like eyeballs or how are they calling it, those places dark, or your nails. If you have your nails is dark, your armpits is dark, you guys, you see that side, that place, if you guys watch very well, you can still see that stubborn dark spot is over there. It's fading, but now I work hard before this thing start fading. So, and also if your armpits, you have dark armpits also, this thing also, try to apply it to your armpits and between your legs also, because we have some ladies out there, their legs between their thighs, it's very dark. I'm never see some, but I'm seeing in social media some ladies who are just walking naked. You can just see their legs between, the way is dirty, the way is dark, and they are not feeling shy about it. They are just walking or opening their legs anyhow, so which is very good. So please, if you are a lady, even you have that kind of things in your body, please make sure before you bath, like it's left you 10 minutes, go inside your bathroom, put it, or you can get some black clothes to put in your body, because turmeric, how turmeric it is, if it's taking your things, it might be a little bit complicated. So go inside, remove your things, your thighs between, put it there and put it in your armpits also, let it wait for 10 to 15 minutes, you go and bath. So now guys, after apply it to my face, the next thing, I'm going to store the rest. I put it inside my container. I'm going to put it inside my fridge for 3 to 4 days. Please, this thing, don't let it be in your fridge for 1 week for you to be still applying. If you use it for 2 days, please throw away. So the next thing now, I'm going to wait and go like 30 minutes that I want this thing to stay in my face before I wash it. So please stay tuned with me. I will still continue talking with you until I wash my face and come back. We'll see how it changes. This is the magic that you guys is going to see. So stay tuned with me. So please, this, as I'm saying, keep it in your fridge for 3 days is good. But even if you don't have fridge, then just make it less amount for today use it tomorrow. When you are going to make tomorrow again, you make new one again. Okay, don't you make it too much, otherwise you are going to waste it. Okay, my people, now after I've washed my face, you can see, even I'm not yet even apply the cream, but you can see my face, how the face is brightened, right? I did not apply it, guys. I'm having carrot butter. So please, guys, you guys should patronize me. Oh, please patronize me, patronize. And I have carrot infusing oil also is available. I'm not doing any expensive things, so my sisters. So if you also want to join me, come here so that we use those simple things, not expensive products, to glow our skin naturally, to glow from inside out. Because this one, you are going to glow from inside out. It's not like you are just glowing because this is natural things. It's not like a chemicals thing, you are using chemicals thing. This is natural things. So guys, after that, that's my carrot butter, my carrot infusing oil. That one I'm using to moisturizing my body. So after, I will pamper my face more, massage my face a little bit, because our face sometimes is need pampering. So when your face need pampering, well, after you finish making your face mask, just use your oil to massage your face, like the way I'm doing. Massage your face to make it look relaxed, let your face also relax more, because sometimes there's too much of stress for our face also. So that's it, my sister. So when you do it this way, how can you do it? How many times is the best way to do?
Please do it 3 to 4 times in a week, okay? Not in a day, in a week, 3 to 4 times.
And don't do it and go outside the sun. If you are going to do it, even you can make it in the evening time. After you finish everything, you make it and go to bed and clean your face, moisturize your face. After you wash your face, you have to moisturize your face. After moisturizing your face, then you go to your bed. But don't make your face mask and be inside the sun walking, like, no, don't do it like that, because you need a healing from your skin. So when you need a heal, you have to try your best. There are some things that you need to avoid, not to add it into it. So that's it, my sisters. We finished today's video. Please, if you love what I'm showing to you guys, why not, you should support me by subscribing and hit the notification bell for the future videos. Because this channel, I do everything: how to take care of your natural hair, your children's hair, how to take care of your children's hair, how to make it look longer, to healthy, and also to remove your dark spot, to glow your skin naturally. This channel is this channel is for all those things. Please, so that's why I'm saying you should patronize me and come here. We glow our skin together, we grow our hair together. I know you love to glow your skin, but you are thinking, how can you do it? Just simple way, simple remedy. Use it to glow your skin and thank me later, because when you are seeing the result, please, you have to come back here to thank me. Okay, you have to appreciate me for what's the work that I'm doing. But please do it consistently for 1 month and you will see the result. You yourself, you are going to say, why you didn't start there, why you didn't know this thing earlier. This is very powerful. It's very, very powerful. So please, my sisters, that's what I have today to show you guys. That I'm so happy. I'm super happy, because my dark spot is going, and I believe that the joy that I'm having, I know one day you're also going to celebrate in that way, because when you see that your dark spot is started fading, you are going to be happy. Look at my face, no makeup. Even because of that dark spot, I say I'm not going to make makeup again. I'm going to work on it, to let my skin glow naturally, because now I try to, everything have to be a natural woman. No fake, nothing fake that I don't want to add into my skin anymore or my hair anymore. So everything is going to be natural. So come and we do everything naturally together. Glow our skin, remove the sun damaging acne, all the bad skin from our body. We remove everything and enjoy our beautiful body. Bye bye. I love you all. Yes, see you. See your girl now. See your girl now. I was so shocked when I see this thing is going. Bye bye.